Have you ever stopped to think about the journey of the spices in your kitchen? Take cumin, for example. This little seed is a star in kitchens around the world. From India to Mexico, cumin adds its warm, earthy flavor to countless dishes. But have you ever wondered where it came from, or how it became such a global sensation? The story of cumin is a fascinating journey through time and across continents. Many people think cumin is just a common spice. But cumin has a rich history and a depth of flavor that deserves to be celebrated. It's time to uncover the secrets of this tiny seed that has conquered the world, one delicious dish at a time. Get ready to explore the captivating world of cumin. We will travel back in time to discover its ancient origins. We will trace its path along ancient trade routes, and we will learn how to unlock its full flavor potential in our own kitchens. Cumin's story begins thousands of years ago. Imagine the world in 2000 BCE. This is when cumin was first cultivated in the Middle East and India. The ancient Egyptians loved cumin. They used it in their cooking. They even used it in their burial rituals. Can you imagine the aroma of cumin filling the air as they prepared their pharaohs for the afterlife? Cumin is mentioned in the Bible. It's even been found in archaeological sites like Pompeii. This tells us that cumin has been a prized spice for centuries. In India, cumin has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Ayurveda is a holistic healing system. It emphasizes the power of natural ingredients like herbs and spices. Cumin's ancient roots run deep. It's a spice that has been cherished by civilizations across the globe for millennia. This speaks to its enduring appeal and versatility. Cumin didn't stay confined to the Middle East and India. This little seed had wanderlust. It traveled the world, hitching rides with traders and explorers. Imagine caravans laden with precious spices, including cumin, traversing the ancient Silk Road. This network of trade routes connected the East and West. It was a conduit for goods, ideas, and of course spices. Cumin's aroma wafted through bustling marketplaces from Constantinople to Cairo. European explorers, eager for exotic flavors, brought cumin back to their homelands. Spanish conquistadors introduced it to the Americas. Soon cumin was adding its distinctive flavor to dishes from Mexico to Morocco. Cumin's journey is a testament to the power of spice. It has the ability to connect cultures through shared flavors. It's a reminder that food is more than just sustenance. It's a powerful bridge between people and places. Cumin has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries. According to Ayurvedic principles, cumin helps balance the digestive fire, reduces bloating, and promotes nutrient absorption. It's also believed to purify the blood and boost immunity. Modern science is catching up to what Ayurveda has known all along. Studies have shown that cumin can aid digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and even have anti-cancer properties. The active compounds in cumin, like cymene and cuminaldehyde, have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. So the next time you use cumin, remember that you're not just adding flavor to your food, you're also incorporating an ancient healing tradition into your diet. Cumin is a true culinary chameleon. It can be used in countless ways to add depth and complexity to dishes. In India, cumin is a staple in curries, lentil soups, and vegetable dishes. It's what gives biryani its signature aroma. In the Middle East, cumin is essential in hummus, falafel, and meat stews. Mexican cuisine relies on cumin for chili powder, tacos, and enchiladas. Moroccan tagines wouldn't be the same without the warmth and earthiness of cumin. Whether you're using whole seeds or ground cumin, this spice has the power to transform your cooking. Here's a little secret to unlocking cumin's full flavor potential. Dry roast the seeds before grinding. Simply heat a small pan over medium heat and add the cumin seeds. Toast them for a minute or two until fragrant and slightly darker in color. Be careful not to burn them. Once cooled, grind the seeds using a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder. Freshly roasted and ground cumin has an intensity and depth of flavor that store-bought ground cumin simply can't match. The roasting process releases the essential oils, resulting in a more pronounced aroma and taste. Don't be afraid to experiment with cumin in your cooking. Start by adding a pinch to your favorite dishes and adjust to your liking. From its humble beginnings in the ancient world to its global presence in kitchens today, cumin's journey is a testament to the enduring power of spice. It's a reminder that food has the power to connect us across cultures and time. So, the next time you sprinkle cumin on your food, take a moment to appreciate its rich history and culinary versatility. Let its warm, earthy flavor transport you to bustling marketplaces and ancient kitchens. Embrace the power of cumin. Let it inspire you to explore new flavors and create delicious dishes that celebrate the world's culinary heritage.